Hi everyone, and now we can see depression risk management system. In this, we are going to how it will run and workflow also we can see. So in this, I am using Python and Flask framework and algorithms also. So this is a training code. So we need to install these libraries, and we are collecting the data set from using pandas, and the defined codes is there. Now we can run training final code. I'm using VS Code IDE. If you want, you can choose another IDE also. Graph is running. This is matrix random forest classifier using. We are getting labels. This is random forest accuracy. We can see in terminal. And training code is over. So we need to test this code. So I'm running testing. In this testing, we can see in the output also in terminal also. So for this it will take a little bit time. And these are our data sets. We have all inside data sets. Yeah, we can paste from in terminal. See, now we can see output in the classifier person is in normal stage. So now using a flask framework, we are connecting to the website. Same like that only. We are installing the same libraries plus and SQLite also. And after that, flask application. So we are collecting the data sets and this are the routing for website. So now we are getting URL. It is running on localhost 5000 port number. And this is the home page of depression risk management system. So we need to first log in this page. After we can access those pages. So I have already registered. So I can log in from username and password. So this is the training models we are getting in output. This is the graph of classifier using. All graphs are we can display in this place. And also this is the detecting URL. We have the data sets. We can predict this place to post text here. No, if we copy and we can paste in this input. The person have normal stage. And also I will show you another one. So in this also we can see person was depression stage. Like this we can describe our website. Thank you.